these go? There are so many bins here at Cabrillo College. These are clearly labeled, so my can is going to go in this one, while my paper is going to go in this one. But there's just one problem. Come take a look. If we look inside these bins, we can see there's already a coffee cup, a piece of packing material, and if we look in this one, we can see other plastic and a wasp and even some candy wrappers. And this is a problem. Let's look at where things should go on our campus.
Did you know that an audit of trash cans, recycling bins, and compost bins on campus found over 45% of the materials in these bins were in the wrong bin? Let's figure out how some of these bins work so that we can start to do better as a community and a college.
Let's go look at some of the trash cans on campus to figure out where everything should go. Come on.
The recycling bins on campus are separated into cans and bottles and paper bins. It's important that you put things in the correct bin. You also might have noticed that some things like plastics and metals and other materials that you might have recycled at home actually cannot be put into the recycling bins on campus. So if you bring these items with you, it's best that you then take them home too so that you can recycle them appropriately. There are compost bins located in 3 major areas on campus: the STEM Center, the cafeteria, and in front of room 834. It's important that you put the right things into these bins. When it comes to the compost bin, the best thing to do is to put food scraps only. Even if you're pretty dang sure that something is compostable, unless you see it clearly expressed, it's best to just put your food scraps only. As far as bottles, cans, paper plates, plastic forks, things like that, it's important to make sure that you separate them all out and put them in the appropriate place. Unfortunately, most of the food containers and forks and plates are going to be going into the landfill bin.
If it's too difficult to figure out where things like this go, one thing that you can do that's a whole lot easier is just bring your own water bottle, and there are plenty of refill stations located all around the campus.
Bringing in your own reusable items can make a huge difference. Whether it's your own plate, coffee cup, or utensils, or more, having your own items means that you will no longer be putting these items into the landfill and you no longer have to guess which bin they go into. You can also make sure if you have to get utensils, you can try to get ones that are compostable. But once again, it's best to just bring your own. So let's do this, Cabrillo. Let's start putting the right things in the right places and make sure that we try to reduce our trash.